Hi, friends. This is Jeff with Pie of Genius. And today, my question and focus is specifically for those of you who are employees of an organization. So here's my question. Are you a high value employee? Are you a high value employee? Because if you've noticed these days, the economy is a little uncertain. And some sectors of businesses people are being laid off. If revenues come down, what's going to happen to your job? And I have a question for you if you're an employee. Are you so valuable to your organization that the people in leadership would not even consider letting you go? There's a list of names that they see, they know they have to make cuts, and they see your name and they go, oh no, there is not a chance. We cannot let that person go. They go down that list and they circle, out of 50 people, and they circle, 25 names. Did your name get circled? Why did they circle it? Why did the people that didn't get their name circled, why weren't they circled? So I have three questions for you today to ponder and think about. What is the value that you are offering your organization? What is the value that you bring to your organization? For some of you, it's very tied to the amount of money you bring in. For some of you, it might be that your name got circled because you're just like the glue that holds the team together. You're the one who's always encouraging people. You're the one who helps galvanize and get people together. You're the one who's coming with the creative ideas. You're the one who helps everybody keep moving along even when things get tough. And or you're the one that comes up with great ideas, or you kind of are able to filter through and go, this is a good idea, this is a bad idea. What's the value that you bring your organization? Question number two. What is the value that you're bringing now that you were not bringing 6 months ago? What value are you bringing now that you weren't 6 months ago? Because you've actually made yourself more valuable in the last 6 months. You have learned some things that you're actually now contributing and adding value that you weren't before. And, if people were to stop and consider, they can see, wow, this person has made improvement. They continue to add value, and they continue to add higher value. Is that you? Or is that not you? And the last question is, what value do you bring to the team that you're on that is not specifically in your job description? What value are you bringing to the team that isn't specifically in your job description, which means you're going over and above what's technically required? What are you doing that's like that? That your teammates, if you were to be let go, they would be like, oh, no, 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 no. Do not let, Joe or whatever who it is, don't let them go. Because here's what they mean to me. Here's how they make my job easier. Would they say that about you? And if they would say that, why? If they wouldn't say that, why? So, just a few questions to ponder. What is the value that you bring your organization? And these days, with so much going on, for most of us, you just can't bring what's in your job description. You got to bring something else. Is that you? Okay, guys, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. Keep leading in your strengths, sharing your competencies, and to the best of your ability, mitigate your frustrations. Okay, guys, have a great week. Talk to you later.